Welcome, Preston families. I'm Mrs. Mandragona. I teach reading intervention, which means literacy support for students or your children in grades kindergarten, first and second grade. I meet with the children when they're home on their asynchronous days. You will receive a schedule via email, and I will communicate with you through Seesaw. The children in kindergarten are learning their letters and sounds, and the more fluent they can become in that, the better readers they will be. We will focus on some basic sight words. We will read simple pattern books, and they will be on their way to becoming readers. In first grade, we continue to focus on phonics, which is letters and sounds, blending words together, rereading, and putting the story together. We work on comprehension also. That means being able to understand character traits, how the characters are feeling, and whether they can relate to it, whether they've had an experience similar and how it was similar. And we also work on fluency, which means lots of rereading of books and just enjoying the story and being able to make it sound like talking. In second grade, we continue our phonics instruction and work on blends and syllables and vowel teams and how words work and how they're different. We continue comprehension, and we look outside the text a little bit, like why the writer wrote about this topic or some text features they used, how they made it interesting. In nonfiction, we explore text features and how that helps us as readers. I will be meeting with them on Zoom meetings. It's best if they have their materials ready, their marker board and marker and their books. And one last note that I want to leave with you is that just to remember that it takes being brave to read. And I want you to praise them every time they take a step in terms of their learning with reading. We will focus on specific goals, and our goal, of course, is for them to become independent readers and to feel good about themselves. Thank you for joining me, and you can reach me at the email above.